Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your Google account password in PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop, then you want to change your Google account password. So let's see how can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just select your account of which you want to change your password. So let's say I'm going to select this one here and just click on this profile option here and then click on manage your Google account. Now on this page, you might see the option of password manager or my password. You just have to select my password from here, or you can also go to security and sign in and just look for password option over here. Here's the password, just click on it. And here you can easily change your account password. You just have to enter your new password and then confirm or re-enter your new password. So let me enter my one. So once I've entered your new password and then confirmed your new password, just click on change password option here and your password will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily change your Google account password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.